Can you say tiger? Can you roar like a tiger? Here is our pig. Can you oink like a pig? Oink, 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 oink. Good job. This is a lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! This is our elephant. Can you pretend to be an elephant? Oh, good job. This is a cow. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. This is our giraffe. Can you make yourself nice and tall like a giraffe? Good job. This is our horse. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh! And this is our sheep. Can you baa like a sheep? Baa! The first animal that I would like to find is a tiger. Can you help me make a tiger? You can? Thank you. Do you know what colour a tiger is? Yes, it is orange with stripes. Well done. Oh, wow, thank you. I can see it too. Wow. I'm going to pop this one over here. Can you see anything else that is orange with stripes? Oh, wow, look. It's the tail of the tiger. Good spotting. I wonder where this might go. Do you think it goes down here? No. Do you think it might go here? Oh, wow, look at that. Here's the tail and the body and the legs of the tiger. Can you find one more piece that might finish our tiger puzzle? Wow, here it is. It's the head. Good job. Let's see where this might go. Do you think it goes over here? No. Do you think it goes here? Yay! Wow, look at our tiger. Thank you so much for helping me make a tiger. Let's see if we can find another animal. I might try and find a pig. Can you see anything that looks like a pink pig? Wow, look, there's the curly tail of a pink pig. Wow, can you see any other piece that might finish off our pink pig? Ah, here we go. Let's see. Do you think it goes over here? No. Where do you think it goes? Oh, thank you, friends. Wow. you have helped us finish our pink pig. Good job! Wow. Let's put our pink pig over here. What should we find next, friends? Should we find a giraffe? Okay, giraffes are very tall, aren't they? Can you see anything that looks like a giraffe here? Does this look like a giraffe? No. This one? Does that look like a giraffe? Yes, it's the head and the long neck of a giraffe. Well done. Can you see anything else that looks like a giraffe? Oh, here we go. The legs. Good job. Do the legs go on top of the head of the giraffe? No. Ah, do they go down here? Oh, thank you, friends. Wow, look at our giraffe. You're really good at making these animal puzzles with me. Let's try and find a cow next. Do you see anything down here that looks like a cow? You can? Oh, wow. This is the head of a cow. Good job. Do you see anything else that can finish our cow? Ah, good job. Here's the tail. Where does this go? Does this go like this? No. How does it go? Ah, there we go. Wow, you're very, very good at this. And there is our cow. The cow is black and white. Good job. Let's find a lion next. Can you see anything that looks like a lion? Does this look like a lion? I can see a mane. What else can we find that will finish our lion? Wow, good spotting. Oh, we've completed the whole mane around the head of the lion. Can we see anything else that will help us finish our lion? Good job. The legs. Do the legs go up here? No, they go on the bottom. Good job, everybody. And there is our gorgeous lion. Thank you so much. Next, we're going to find a horse. Can you see anything here that looks like a horse? Oh, good job. Here's the head of our horse. Yay. Or should I say, nay. Can you see anything else that looks like a horse? Wow, look. Look at this. It is the legs and the body. Let's put this on. Now we need the back legs and the tail. Can you see back legs and a tail anywhere? Oh, yay. Does this go here? No. There we go. There's our horse. Wow, look at this. Oh, let's try and push that in. Here we go. There is our horse. Well done, everybody. Let's see if we can find a sheep. Can you see anything that looks like a sheep? Oh, wow, look at this. Here's our woolly sheep. Here's the woolly head of our sheep. Can you see the rest of our sheep? Here Here we go. Here are the back legs. Does this go like this? No. Here we go. Oh, wow. Here's our sheep. Good job. We've got one more animal to make. Let's make this animal. Can you tell me what this is? This is an elephant. Good job. Wow, we've made all of our animals. Here they all are. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for helping me today, friends. You are amazing and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a good day. Ka kite. Bye-bye.